How to use Lumen5 video marketing tool properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Lumen is one of the most powerful video marketing tools available today, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost them time, money, and audience engagement. Most people get this wrong, but here's why knowing the right approach can make your videos shine. The first mistake is ignoring your script. Lumen excels at turning text into video, but feeding it a poorly structured script leads to awkward pacing and unclear messaging. Start with a concise script that highlights key points, uses short sentences, and clearly conveys your message. For example, instead of a paragraph about a product, break it into 3 short sentences that each become a visual scene. Another common error is overloading visuals. Lumen gives access to thousands of stock clips, images, and animations, but beginners often cram too much into a single video. This overwhelms viewers and dilutes your message. Stick to 2-3 visuals per scene, and make sure each clip reinforces your main point. Many users also overlook the importance of branding. Lumen allows you to add logos, colors, and custom fonts, but beginners sometimes skip this step, resulting in videos that feel generic. Consistent branding increases recognition and builds trust with your audience. Audio mistakes are also common. Using default background music without checking volume or mood can make your video feel unprofessional. Always adjust audio levels and choose music that matches your video's tone. Finally, failing to optimize for platform formats is costly. A video that works on Instagram might not work on YouTube or LinkedIn. Lumen supports multiple aspect ratios, so always tailor your video to the platform where it will be shared. To use Lumen effectively, start with a strong script, choose visuals carefully, incorporate branding, manage audio properly, and format videos for the right platform. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your videos look professional, engage viewers, and drive real results.